So, what got me interested in uncrewed aircraft systems is that I'd always been interested in filming with UAS. So, getting to do that has also been really cool. My experience with the program has been pretty good. I think the teachers are very knowledgeable. They know what they're doing. A lot of them are willing to stay after hours to work with students or to work through a problem. They're a great help, and they've really showed how to deal with some of the more technical aspects. It's very cost efficient to go here instead of some of its competitors. It's easier to get to know people here just because it's a bit of a smaller campus. It also was on airport, was a big deal for me. When it comes to real world experiences I've had here at K-State, we have worked with multiple entities outside of the university. For instance, we've done FEMA training. We work with law enforcement. We've done some work with the Department of Transportation. And so being able to see those practical uses of UAS out in the real world it's been a real boon to my education.